ayun. So, Scout, I think na-email mo sa akin before, yung may description ka, may experience ka, na yung description mo sa nakita mong parang, hindi ko ma-classify. Theory ko, it is an Encanto or let's say, Tuatha de Danann, parang ganon. Parang may description ka na parang may nakita kang entities by the window na nilipad na hangin, parang ganon. Baka let's start with that and then we can segue to your other experiences.
Oh, sure. Okay. So this happened when probably I was around 5 or 6. So backgrounder lang, no. Lumaki ako sa norte. So won't say the province or won't say the entire exact town, pero sa norte ako lumaki. Tanda ko, tanghali yun eh. Pababa ako ng hagdan kasi yung bahay namin split level eh. So may hagdan na bato na pula. Tapos yung bahay namin split level, very old. Tapos parang 4 steps lang siya. So I was bounding down the stairs. Tapos dun pagdating ko dun sa bottom, parang alam mo yung nagkaroon ako ng compulsion na tumingin ka sa kaliwa mo. So pag pihit ng ulo kong ganyan, nakita ko doon sa screen door namin, na dun sa may veranda namin, merong babae na nakatayo, facing doon sa direction opposite kung saan ako nakaharap. So para kaming, alam mo yun. So nakatingin siya sa may area, sa direction ng garden namin. Nakahawak yung right hand niya doon sa parang railing, doon sa veranda namin.
Parang physically bound. I mean, naki-interact siya with a physical object.
It seemed like.
Yes.
Like. Tapos parang it seemed like she was so graceful. Like she was standing on tiptoes. And but parang wala siyang impact doon sa ground. Alam mo yun, parang very light and very like she's there but she's not there. It's so weird. Parang so yun, andun siya, this very tall creature, and naka-dress siya ng white, but para siyang, sorry for the big word, parang diaphanous, very sheer yung material.
Okay.
Na parang hinihipan very gently ng hangin. Tapos yung hair niya, hindi blonde, mahaba, flowing as well, pero parang platinum. Okay. That's the closest thing that I can describe her hair. Mahaba. Tapos I can see na, kasi hindi siya humarap sa akin yung side lang ng face, buti na lang hindi humarap, hindi ko matatakot ako. So parang nakita, parang happy naman siya, parang nakatingin lang siya sa kawalan, ganyan. Tapos parang naalala ko, it felt to me na parang she was being carried by the wind, but at the same time, everything was so still. So yung mga may mga puno-puno kasi kami dun sa veranda na hindi naman matangkad. Pero tapos parang naalala ko, hindi gumagalaw yung puno. Tapos parang, alam mo yung parang may dumaan na ulap, direct. Yung medyo dumilim ng konti. Parang ganon. So, alam mo yun, it's like she was being carried by the wind. There's like a gentle breeze that was sort of like flowing in her hair and then on her dress. And then, but at the same time, everything was still and quiet. So that lasted for about 3 to 5 seconds. I don't know. But as soon as I blinked, nawala na siya. And then maliwanag na ulit. Yun yung naalala ko.
Anong facial features na naalala mo?
Matangos yung ilong, pero not in a human way.
Okay.
Alam mo yun, hindi, yung tsura niya talaga, maganda siya. Yun na yun, maganda. Maliit yung mukha, ganyan. Pero tas matangkad siya. Pero hindi worldly yung, wala pa akong nakitang. Siguro the closest na nga yung nasabi ko sa'yo noon before, no, na parang the closest is parang yung si Galadriel.
Oo.
Sa Lord of the, or basta sila doon. Parang ganun. Pero hindi ma-capture pa rin eh. Kasi hindi nga siya humanly.
Yung features hindi talaga. Oo.
Yeah. Pero ang ganda niya. Yun lang masabi ko. Wala akong na-feel na fear, no, at the time. Which is funny kasi I was 5, 6, no. Wala naman, kailan ko lang naman ba nalaman yung Lord of the Rings, medyo parang.
Yes, oo nga.
So
kailan
wala
mo nga ba nalaman?
Parang 9, 20.
Okay. Wow.
Alam mo yun?
Oo.
So, I mean, taga-probinsya ako, malay ko ba dyan?
Oo.
So, yun.
ang sobrang interesting lang kasi recently nga, nag-research ako about Tuatha De Danann. And then naging, so parang technically sila naging she. So parang for some reason, hindi ko alam kung inaral, binasa mo to. Pero nagka-war, whatever, so na-force sila mag-go underground. Yun ang sa mythology, na-force sila mag-underground. Tapos nung nag-underground na sila, doon na sila tinawag na she. Tapos, so sila yung she. Tapos yung description sa kanila, is parang hinahangin sila. Parang with the wind sila.
Exactly. Ayun,
diba?
Dagdag ko pala. Hindi ko idagdag dun sa kwento ko.
Sige, go.
So,
Dagdag ko lang to.
Oo. So, fast forward many decades later, yun nga, nagbakasyon kami abroad, no? Pumunta kami ng UK. And then, ayan, just shopping for books, ganyan. Tapos, may nabili akong book, no? I forget the name of the book, but it was written by a witch, a self-proclaimed witch. And she was describing her experiences. It's a collection of essays about her being a witch. If I remember the title, I'll let you know, but it's a very good book, actually. One of the better books out there about these sort of things. Tapos yun nga, dinidescribe niya yung experience niya seeing fairies, no? The fae in Scotland. And yun nga yung description nga, yung sinabi mong word na parang they who are being carried by the wind. Yun yung sabi niya. And nag-click talaga sa akin. I was reading it on the train, and then oh my God, this is exactly the description of what I saw. Parang dinadala ng hangin.
Yes, so
alam mo yun, parang many decades later, tapos parang everything just, wow, ang galing lang. Yun, alala ko lang.
Tsaka yung description mo, yung physical, hindi ko ba physical, pero yung facial features nga, iba. Na parang biringa. Actually, parang biringa nun eh.